Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So I'm here. I just made a device for reading CVC word. Another device. Okay, I'm just going to show you because I had already had this previously this morning. Okay, so this is what I've just made a while ago. There you go. So first, I made two small cuts here and another small cuts over there, and then I made the strip of paper, this one, and I put the letter N and the letter M, but you can have as many letters as you wish. And here I made, of course, the uh, of the family. Okay, the family of letters. Okay, we call that yeah, that's the family of letters here. So the U and the T sounds ut. So if you're going to combine both, you say nut. And then if the child doesn't like that, then the child can move this up, and the child can read another word. Okay, these are word families. These are word families that we made. So the child will say none, and then keep going, keep going. Okay, so you can have as many word families as you wish. It's up to you. So this one is ought, not. Then the child can do it this way, or he or she can experiment, move the other letters. Say, for example, I'm going to move this letter here. So how does it read? How will the child read that? It's going to say op, mop. Okay, then the child continuously move the strip of paper. Okay, this one. And he's going to read and man. Then if you wish to, you can further put another strip of paper here, longer strip of paper, so that you can write other letters over here and other word families over there. So in that case, the child can just move here, move up, move down, and so with the letters over here. So if he keeps on moving and moving, he can also say the sound at the same time, experiment with the word families over here. So by then, he or she, the child, can now say the sound ot, mot, and then move again, keep on moving, and move also this one, this part, until such time the child can already read. So this is what I've made right now. This is similar to the one I made the last time. This one, it's similar, but this time this is individual. So I'm going to make 25 of this, and I can make, say, 5 of this, and it's going to be a group activity, or 25 of this for individual activity. Now it's up to you if you can make 25, or how many students do you have. It's up to you. Or if you don't like, you can make 5 of this, then group the children into 5 groups of 3, or 5 groups of say 4. It's up to you. And then they're going to take turns in um, you know putting this up or down, up or down. They're going to take turns also in reading. So in each group, probably there is a leader, or take turns. Leaders can also say, for example, today the leader is so and so, and then the next day the leader would be another girl or another boy, until everybody will become a leader. Okay, so this is just what I'm going to share to you, and I hope this will work for your kids as well. Thank you and God bless. Follow for more.